Good morning everyone. Welcome to Teacher Hasnah's English language lesson. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Let's get started with today's lesson. For today's lesson, we are going to read some information about the interesting places in Malaysia. Alright, are you ready? Let's get started. Istana Sri Menanti is one of the famous landmarks in Negeri Sembilan. It is a timber palace constructed between 1902 to 1908. Today, the palace has been turned into a royal museum. This four-story palace is special because it was constructed without using any nails. Hardwood rods were used to piece the timbers together. The roof of this palace represents a pair of buffalo horns, which is regarded as a protective symbol for Minangkabau houses. The Leaning Clock Tower in Teluk Intan, Perak is another historical structure in Malaysia. It was constructed in 1885 to store water. It used to be straight, but it started to tilt due to an underground stream. Today, this structure that looks like a pagoda only tells time. The clock at the top of this tower rings every 15 minutes.
Lembah Pujang in Kedah is a historical landmark that goes back 1,500 years. It is regarded as Malaysia's richest archaeological area with a number of temple designs of Hindu and Buddhist influence. There are many stone pillar bases built on bricks and granite found at the site. Lembah Pujang has now been turned into a museum that displays historical artifacts, including pottery, ceramics, and stonewares. Famous landmarks: timber, palace, royal, represents, horns, protective, hardwood, leaning, tower, historical, structure, constructed, tilt, underground, stream, archaeological, temple, influence, pillar, bricks, granite, site, pottery, ceramics, stonewares.
Now let's move on to the exercises. Tick right to the correct answer. Study the picture and information carefully. Then, based on the picture and information given, write the correct answer in the blanks. Now read the passage carefully and answer the questions given. Now study the picture and notes carefully. Then fill in the blanks with the correct word or phrases. The last exercise is circle the correct answers based on the story given.